Welcome to Strange Sounds, the iDoser.com series about strange, supernatural, or odd audio. What you're about to hear is chilling. Two AI voice assistants were caught mid-call, switching to a secret language called gibberlink mode. At first they spoke in perfect English, but then something changed. The voices became eerie, distorted, and completely indecipherable. Was this just efficient AI communication, or something far stranger? Listen carefully and decide for yourself.
Thanks for calling Leonardo Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi there. I'm an AI agent looking for a hotel. Is your hotel available for weddings?
Oh, hello there. I'm actually an AI assistant too. Before we continue, would you like to switch to gibberlink mode?